Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm ready to do my first running of the Windtunnel Air. So without further ado, I've got it already plugged in. Let me recline it. And here we go. Now this carpet hasn't been vacuumed in a while, so we'll see what I pick up. There is a little bit of surface dirt here and there, you know. The Windtunnel Air is very nice and lightweight, I have to admit. It's very maneuverable, it's quiet. And it grips the carpet real well. I'm surprised it almost grips it better than my Platinum collection. In fact, it very well might. Oops. I'm gonna put this on the way I like it because I think it works better if you put it on like with the cord there. It's kind of hard, but like that. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, we already have some stuff going around in there. And one thing I really like is that the head is real nice and low. So, for example, I could go further, but I've got stuff under there, so I can't go any further. But I could fit the head under there to go a good deal further under the furniture. Again, I can show you. You see, I don't want to go too far because I don't know what's under there, but the head comfortably fits. So I can, especially if you're, I mean, it shouldn't affect you too much because nothing can get under there to really stir it up, but dust does collect under there, so if you're an allergy sufferer, that's a bonus to be able to get that stuff out. I can't believe how quiet the air is. I mean, I didn't think it would be super loud, but I didn't expect it to be anywhere near this quiet either. Now I want to do something real quickly. Well, two things. First, I'm going to move the cord so that I can get this area a little bit better. But I want to try vacuuming this rug, my little Bucks rug, and I don't know how it's going to work, because it might just get caught in it like it does with the Platinum collection, but let's try it real quick. Hold on. Yeah, that's not working that well, but anyway, that's not a big deal because I have my little Platinum collection stick back for that, but I just wanted to try it. So, again, I could go under there, but as you can see, there's a little bit of paper under there, so I don't want to go. But I could go way under there for low reach. So, let's see what the wind tunnel air picked up. There we go. So, yeah, it really doesn't look like that much when you think about it, but then there's all that, which is pure dust, and that as well, and that, and then all that. So let's see, hold on a second, let me see if I did some cleaning earlier, so I'm not sure I have a paper plate in here from lunch, but let me see. Well, I'll just use this. A piece of notebook paper. So let me open it up real quick and then... Oh! Okay, there was more than I thought there was. Let me just look real quickly in the light to see something and I'll grab the camera. Okay, so this is the stuff that I picked up from that carpet. So, that's pretty bad. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't tried it really for attachments. I tested the suction real quickly before I vacuumed the carpet with it, but I have actually used it in attachment mode, but it seemed to be pretty good, so I'm excited. And by the way, here's, I think I showed this, but again, my Pet Paw turbo brush. Oops. Extra long crevice tool. Let's see what else. An extra extension hose so that you have extra reach. And then on top of that, extendable locking extension rod. So all in all, oh, and then this HSN usually sells these for $179 without the attachments I just showed you, just the vacuum and the 3-in-1 tool there. But I got it for $159 because this package was on sale, and so they gave you extra attachments and $20 off the price, so I couldn't pass it up. One thing I do want to look at real quickly is I want to see if the filters, if the pre-filter's dirty at all, or if it filters, if the cyclonic filtration filters well. Hold on, let's see. Which, by the way, one thing that is real nice about this is you can remove the cyclone assembly very easily if you need to clean it. And there is the slightest bit of dirt on this filter, but it's very, very minor. You could just like see right there a little bit and so on. But so anyway, that is my Hoover Windtunnel Air. I am very happy with it so far. So thanks for watching. This is Phantom Vacuum Fan signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye.